Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create Cash App account from your iPhone. It's very easy thing to do. First, install Cash App from Apple Store. Then open the app. After opening the app, you have to create your new account now. Enter your phone or email here. Then tap on Next. Then they will send a code to your email or your phone number. Enter the code, then tap on Next. After this, you can add your bank using your debit card, the debit card number, date, CVV code and zip code. You can skip it for now. Then enter your legal name. This should match the name of your government ID. Then tap on Next and enter your date of birth. Then Next. Now choose a Cashstack name. It's a unique name to getting paid by anyone. Then tap on Next. Then you can choose a cash pin as a backup for Face ID. Now then tap on Next and you can apply for Cash App card here. Also you can skip this option from here and then Next and that's it. That's how you can create an account Cash App from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.